Hey YouTubers, we're going to take this pallet wood and we're going to turn it into a coffee table. And if you stay tuned, we're going to kick it up another notch by the end of the video. So the standard height of a rectangular coffee table is 14 to 20 inches. So I've used my rough wood, so I'm going to be squaring off each end, and I'm going to aim for mine to be about 20 inches high. So this coffee table is going to be approximately 47 inches long. Alright, so now I've cut all these to my lengths, and I had to lay them all out and save you guys some time and let me piece each piece together as I try to find the best side up for display purposes. So laying these out, we're going to be using some biscuits and glue to hold it all together and clamp down, of course, and then we'll move on to the next process after that. So now we're going to put the biscuits in and glue everything down. Alright, now we're on to the ever fun part of sanding, and there's lots of sanding, but I'm going to be doing some sanding just to smooth out the area a bit before I plane it down. I'll just be using my hand planer to plane it down flat faster. You'll see bigger pieces coming off when I do that. So now we're going to do some hand planing. I've outlined where I'm going to be jazzing this up a little bit, so I'm going to just stain up to around the edges here. I've already drilled some pilot holes. Now I'm just going to mount this frame to the bottom side of the table. Hey YouTubers, another project finished. Really enjoyed this one. If you like it, give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.